So I just got this alarm clock. Let's unbox it and show you everything that's included. So it does have wireless charging. You could actually charge 2 devices at once with the built-in USB-C and wireless charging options. Plus it is a Bluetooth speaker and radio combined. Here it is. It's actually tiny. It's perfect for your bedside table. Then there's the clock. And then it comes with this charger here, which just plugs into the back and then into the wall right here on the back. And then it does have the option to put a USB. It's a standard USB, not USB-C, into it. And then you have the different control buttons here, and then the little antenna for the radio. And then on the top, you have a few more buttons and then the wireless charger. And then this is like a gray mesh with a white plastic base and then like a rubberized bottom as well. On the top here, you have a little clock icon, which you could press this to set the time. Then next to it, you have an alarm clock. You could press to set the alarm. And then you have the snooze in the middle. You have the Bluetooth and then the side-to-side track button. So if we want to set the time, we just click the clock, and we go up and down, and then we just hit set again, and then set again, and then we want 12-hour set. So now our time is set. It's the same thing for alarm. Just do that and set. And then you could choose your sounds as well. Those were birds. And then if you want to do wireless charging, you just stick your phone on the top, and then it starts charging up. So it's really efficient like that. And then let's say we want to choose a different noise. So we go back to alarm and we're going to set, and then we could go side to side to choose. That's kind of annoying. That one's better. I like the birds. Let's see what else we got. Ocean, water, might have to go bathroom if you do that. Wind, I think. Yeah, I'm back to that. So if I were you, I'd go birds, but that's just my preference. And overall, it's just a really nice compact option if you're looking for one of these. So we're gonna throw it on our nightstand and see what it looks like. So the speaker looks really nice on your nightstand and just fits so well. And the nice thing is that it does everything I'm looking for. So if you're looking for a really nice alarm clock, speaker, wireless charger just like this, I highly suggest you check it out.